Key ring failure. This is my set of keys. I got the car and the house and a couple of other places on here. And I've had this for maybe 10, 12 years. And it's always worked just fine. Then a couple of days ago I went to use it and noticed that the ring is just completely bent out of shape. And I'm just really confused as to how this would have happened, because these things are pretty strong. It would take quite a bit of force to put bends in it like that. I had no idea. So I'm concerned that the keys are going to come off and get lost, so let's take the keys off and put them onto something else. But like, wow, look at that. I don't understand how that even happens. It's really bizarre. So I have this set of keys here, which I don't even know what half of these go to. I know what some of these are, but we're going to use this ring. Although the cosmetics of it are not the greatest, it seems pretty sturdy still. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we'll take these existing keys off. And we'll put the other keys that I use onto it. I don't know what that is. Looks like something maybe to attach a wire to or something. I don't know. We don't need that. Let me take that off as well. Okay, so this key ring is in good conditions. So I'll go ahead and add this. Add the keys onto this one. And hopefully that doesn't happen again. I really can't fathom how that transpired. It's quite odd. This one appears to have an extra smaller ring on there. I'm going to take that off because it's not serving any purpose here. Actually, it looks like it's even slightly deformed. Okay, the keys are secure once again, and now we just wait and see if that happens again.